How to change Facebook profile name. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then go to your settings. Once you're here, from the account section, click on personal and account information. And from the personal and account information, click on name. And here you will be able to change your first name, middle name, and last name. Once you do that, click on review change. And then here it will give you a preview of your new name, so you can choose whether you want this to appear first name last name or last name first name. And once you choose what suits you the best, you need to enter your password right here. But keep in mind that you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. So if you're okay with that, click on save changes and the changes will be saved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Facebook name. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.